Hello and welcome, my dear friends, to another border crossing video. Today we're here in Austria and we're soon going to cross the border to Switzerland because it's somewhere over there, you know, straight ahead and stuff, or not straight ahead. We have to go right somewhere. I'm not sure. We'll see. We're going to Switzerland. It's a sunny day, and yeah, they're checking speeds and stuff, so we're going to go slow. There, they're selling windows, and yes, what else can I say? Yeah. Soon we're going to have the feeling as if we're going back in time, because we'll have to turn our mobile data and our roaming, because we're not going to be able to use internet anymore because we're leaving the European Union. So let's go. CH, Switzerland. Why is it CH actually? I don't know. Could be something like SW or something. Who knows? Who cares? So, there we go. We're allowed to go 60 here. We're leaving the town of Mader, something like that, I don't know. Weird name actually. And yes, as we can see, it's a sunny day. The Taraxacum are blooming and, well, that tree looks actually pretty poor, so forget about that tree, because this tree looks much better, as you can see. Ahead of us there's the fire truck, yes. And there are many Swiss people coming towards us. So Swiss people are going to Austria, and people that are in Austria are going to Switzerland or something like that. Or no, we're the only people that are going to Switzerland. I wonder why. Us and the fire truck. So yes. Okay. So this is probably the last roundabout. And after that roundabout, there's the bridge, and I can already see the bridge. And when we've crossed that bridge, we've crossed the border. That makes sense, doesn't it? So we're going right to Griesen. And there we have it. Can you see? That's the border post, I guess. And yes, we're crossing the border to Switzerland. Where are we going? We're going straight ahead. Okay. So there's no one looking at us. And oh, that was the Austrian side. That's the border. This river is the border, as you can see. It's a pretty dirty river. Not pretty. I've seen prettier rivers. And ahead. Oh, now we've crossed the border, since we've crossed the river, and now we're in Switzerland. And yeah, we're stuck behind the truck. Stuck behind the truck. Yes. Swiss and stuff. Can you see the flag already? It's waving in the wind. Why are we standing? That's a bit weird. We'll see. Okay, we're approaching the border. And now we're in Switzerland. Grüezi to Griesen. General 50 in general or something like that. And yes, that looks like Switzerland to me. Everything's looking really expensive, and I already feel disconnected from the world. But at least the landscape is really, really cool. And yes, what else could I talk about? Or should we? Yes, see, 60, so we're allowed to go 60 here. So we'll just do that. There's a farm on the left side of the road. Ahead you can see a hill with some houses on it. Look at that, a Swiss roundabout. Swiss roundabout. Feels really Swiss to me. So let's just drive around that Swiss roundabout, and then alpine or something. That's where we're going. I have no idea where we're going. We're just cruising through Switzerland and stuff casually. And with that, we're going to wait. First, we'll have to look out of this window for a minute or so. Look at those houses. All those Swiss people living in those houses. Really nice. Look at the barn. There are some trees and stuff and whatever. Let's wrap up this video. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next border crossing video. Bye bye.